Hi guys, I will show you how to connect your smartphone to your gamepad to play a game like PUBG, Mobile Legends, and Free Fire. Make sure your phone is rooted. Let's go. Okay, make sure your smartphone is rooted. Open your Google Play Store and download Panda Gamepad Pro. And open Panda Gamepad Pro. Now, click Need Activation. Active now and wait. Look, notification activate. Okay, press back button. Now your phone is activated. Turn on your gamepad. Press X and Home for Android. Wait. Back to your smartphone. Open your Bluetooth setting. Click and hold your Bluetooth setting. Okay, scan your Bluetooth. And wait. This is gamepad and click Fire. Firing success. Press back button. Open your Panda Gamepad Pro application. One device connected and activated. Now you can launch your game with your gamepad. Let's try PUBG. Now you can play your PUBG Mobile with this gamepad without bayonet risk. Just follow my instruction. Now press training. Okay, now you can use your gamepad with full access and without bayonet risk. For setting or mapping, look at Panda head here. Click. Okay, let's zoom it. Okay, let's map. This is for left analog. And if you want to use this button for jump, you can press and click button you want to use. An example, I will use B for jump. B. If double key has been set, you can use another key value or okay. Now B for jump. This is, I want to remove this from mapping. Okay, I want to use G for front. Okay, click A and press G. This is for front. Okay, for right analog, you can use there. This for right analog. Okay, if you want to add another key to your game, you can click plus icon here and press key. Okay, look, new button is come here. Okay, I want to close another one. Come on. Okay, I want to use new button with B, X, Y, A. Okay, I want to use A button for run. I put run here. Okay, A button for run. If you only have a limited key on your gamepad, you can use 2 key at simulation. An example here, I will add new button key. Okay, back. Okay, I want to use 2 key at same. An example, I will use key open setting. Okay, for open setting, I will use key right and X simulation. Okay. Okay, look, I have used a right plus X button at simulation for new button. Okay, please correct for set setting and now try for the mapping. Sorry, let's try. I have set B for front. Look. Oh, sorry. Okay, I have set B for jump. I have set E for front. Right? Okay. No. I not yet set fire. Right, that's mapping again. For fire, where's the button? Look, control, customize. Okay, this is fire button, and this is scope. Okay, let's open the mapping, and I want to use LT. I want to use L2 for scope. Okay. I want to scope for L2 and add button again, and I will use R2 for fire. Press OK button. Right and setup. Save and exit. Okay, exit setting. Let's try. This is for fire button. Look, there's nothing delay at the game and gamepad. Okay, let's take another weapon. I have set A for run. Look, I can run with A, or you can use another key. Okay, right. Okay, let's take some weapon here for try. Got it. Okay, I got VSS. Okay, let's try for scope button. Look, now and fire button on your R2. Basically, you need training for use this gamepad. Okay, I don't set reload button for this game. You can do it on remapping. Okay, A for jump, A for run, B for jump, A for run. You can change it in your Panda Gamepad Pro setting here. Okay, don't forget to save. If you don't want to use this gamepad, you can click Panda Gamepad Pro and disable this icon. Okay, remapping function is off. Look, it's not function, right? If you want to use remapping function, just click Panda Gamepad Pro and click little icon on the right button right here. Okay, remapping function is on. Panda Gamepad Pro is safe for use with game PUBG. Okay guys, that's all. If you have any question, you can comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.